You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from French, meaning yogurt in French. How do you say it? And I believe it's a Bulgarian word originally, so that's why you have slightly different pronunciations in different languages. Yaourt is how it's said. Yaourt is how we say it in France. Yaourt, you could say. Yaourt. Yaourt is how you say yogurt in French pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.